We've got the little girl. The tiger cat took off. Very sensitive. This one's a little bit more laid back. So they've got the food and the water's fine. So I gave you 2 cans. Thank God I brought 2 cans out. There's a little girl. She's going to be walking with me. You going to be walking with me? Huh? Are you walking with me? Yeah, she's tiny. She's tiny. She's frightened. The birds better be aware. These are her toys. You know, it's survival of the fittest out here. And she's tiny. Look at her. Yeah. She's listening to the morning doves. Princess. Okay. You just want to not have him so into that. Let's see what's going on out here. They're aware of her. She's tiny. Look at this. So it's a really cool place and it's really pretty. Squirrels are going back. See what's happening in the secret garden. I call this the secret garden. She'll take off, that little girl. Let's see if there's the squirrels are back there. So I don't think there are any fox back there today. The tiger cat took off. Oh, he's chasing the squirrels. She's little. All right, that's it for this morning. Here we have. Well, I think it's time for this mama. If she is, I don't think she's a mama cat. I honestly don't think she gave birth to any kittens. I think that was inaccurate. So hopefully I will get the rescue to catch her. But the feeding has been done, and the squirrel is not happy that this is somebody who's hanging around. But I know somebody who wants her, so hopefully that person, the black cat, will take her ASAP. Take care, everybody. I'm gonna push the rescue to trap now. And we have somebody that's taking her, which is, I'm thrilled. I don't know about the tiger cat, but this cat somebody's taking. And once we get her off, then we have the tiger grab her or him, and we'll see where we're at. That's it, hopefully. Everything's gone after that. They're all on. They all have their radar on with this little girl. Take care, everybody. Nature feeding and feral cat feeding done.